Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, we are at the new shop now. So the grand opening actually went beautifully. We had a good time. My family came. My mum came all the way from Australia to celebrate the grand opening of my little shop. People did karaoke, took nice pictures, and yeah, overall I had a very good time. My wife got me these congratulations flowers. They're a bit dead now because it's been a week. Anyway, so now that we are now at a new shop, what are we going to do first? Like I said before, I'm going to bring back some old projects that I haven't finished. For example, my uncle's Mercedes. It's something that I started 5 years ago, but because life got in the way, my wife got pregnant, we had our baby, we moved to a new house, we bought a new house, and I started a new job at JPM. So all of this happened within this time that I was working on the car. But now that I've settled myself, we are going to bring back my uncle's Mercedes and get that done on the full restoration job. Also, got one customer who wants to work with me straight away, so he's sending me his classic Mercedes. It's a 220S. Yeah, I haven't seen it yet, so I will make a video when I get that car in. And also we are going to start on Project Cax. I will reveal exactly what I'm doing with that car when I have the car in my possession. So you want to know what's going to happen to Cax? Well, I will tell you on the next clip. Here we go. My uncle's Mercedes has arrived. Take it off the tow truck, put it into the workshop, put it in its position where we will start the restoration process all over again. That's one car in its position, one more to go, and that's gonna take up this spot right here. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna finish there because I'm tired, I feel sick, and we'll continue again tomorrow. Already on the tow truck, it's got no steering and the tail shaft is just loose, so it's flopping around, making a lot of noise. The gearbox is not installed. The interior is completely disassembled. So a lot of things are not assembled. I'm taking as much as I can fit in the van. So I've already filled up the van with parts. There's parts for this car and also another car, so I'm gonna have to organize everything as best as I can and then bring back what I don't need and everything I do need, start installing that into that car. Yeah, got my work cut out, but we're not gonna waste any more time. Let's just get straight into it. Here we go. The ponton now is also in position. We actually don't have as much room as I suspected, but this should be only a quick assembly job, so I'm hoping it won't stay too long. That's one thing I always get here in Malaysia. There are people that start jobs and never finish them, so they always end up in my hands. People can't finish the car, so they find people like me who is willing to take on the job and finish the assembly. So this is another one of those cars. It's common. I think I'm just drawn to unfinished projects, But yeah, anyway, in place now. Yeah, from there we'll start cleaning her up and then start working on her. So that is the plan for this car. So now that you know what the plan for this one is, let's go catch up with Cax. Here we go. And here we are with Cax. Now, what is the plan for Cax? For those who don't know much about me, I grew up in Canberra, Australia, where we hold the biggest car event in probably the Southern Hemisphere called Summer Nuts. I'm sure everyone has heard about it. It is the best event, one of the best events in the world. I've always wanted to build a car that I could take into that place. But since now I have moved to Malaysia, I've never got the opportunity to do it. This is when I decided that I want to build a Malaysian car, but the Australian way. So what are we going to do to Cax? We are going to turn her into a big burnout machine. Now, what do I mean about a big burnout machine? We are going to convert Cax into a rear wheel drive. I'm going to install a rear axle and a front subframe from another car. I'll probably use a Toyota Answer or something like that. As long as it bolts in and the the width is the same, I should be able to work it, and the wheels would fit. So technically the outside of the car is going to look 100% standard. And why is that? Because I'm going to drive this car on the road as well. So of course I'm going to put a body kit. The Proton Wira is very popular for body kits, and also a 4G, say 4G63 or something like that swap, very common, but I want to be different. So we are going to convert this into a V8 rear wheel drive burnout car. The outside, the body kit that I want to put on this, we'll put a picture on it right here. Buying it from Shopee. The reason I want that body kit because it's different. It is very common here for people to put the Evo 3 body kit on it. It's not that it looks bad, but it's been done too many times, so I'm trying to be different. The side skirts, I am going to use the Evo 3 side skirts, but every single Evo 3 side skirts have the Evo 3 written on the side of it. I'm going to cut that out personally and put ZV Auto Build. And then the rear, I'm just gonna get those little, the side valences that go on the along the side there, and that's it. So that is all the outside work I'm going to do, except the paint job as well, and maybe get it wrapped with some livery or something like that. Yeah, I like the look of drift cars, they just look awesome, but I want a burnout car, so this car is going to be a big burnout car. So that's the plan. The only issue I have with this plan is it is very hard to get a V8 engine. Well, it's not hard, I mean specifically LS engine. I love LS engines, I've worked on them a lot. One of my subscribers is Joe Matafari. He was my boss in Australia for Holden. Yes, I remember Joe. Yeah, so I worked on LSs a lot, so I know them very well, and I love them, and I want to put one of them into this car. But in Malaysia it is not a very common car, so more common V8 engines available here in Malaysia, like the 3UZ or the 1UZ, old but still can get, and you got a lot of the Mercedes V8s or the BMW V8s, which I don't like because they're too problematic. So those are the more options that I have, unless someone's willing to sponsor me a V8, an LS. Please go ahead, I will give you my details and I'll send it to you straight away, no problem. That is how the outside is going to look. The inside, what I'm going to do is, inside the car, as you can see, the cockpit is just standard Wira. I thought about keeping it standard, but yeah, no, like, I'd rather have it more emptier, more, I mean, it's too cluttered. There's too much going on. So I want to take everything off. So I want to take all of this stuff off, pretty much delete the bottom half of the dash. So all of this is gone. I'm going to keep the top of the dash and also this part here. Take this away, have the gear stick, get some seats, but door trims, all these side pillar trims. The roof line is off. I'm not going to put it back on. No plan on doing that. Taking out the back seats and taking everything off. So the interior is going to be empty, and I want to paint it white. Why I want to paint it white? I'm going to show a video here of the Voodoo Mustang by Drift HQ. And why I want to do that, because it just looks cool when it's drifting. I'll show a video right here. Ready? So yeah, see, I like how that looks. So yes, when I'm doing big burnouts in this car, I'm gonna have all the, underglow as well, and the interior glowing as well. So that's gonna be the plan for this car as well. I know, big plans, but no money. Isn't that the way of life, huh? Yeah, anyway, that is what's gonna happen with CAX. Oh, and speaking of the name CAX, because I'm going to be building a Malaysian car, the Australian way, Aussie, I'm gonna call the car Mozzie. So that's gonna be the plan pretty much for 2026, because it's already the end of the year, and yeah, I need to make some money back from all the money that I spent on the workshop. So I'm gonna be doing a couple of small jobs at the workshop beforehand, use that money to put back into the Wira. And guys, let me know what you think of the name. Honestly, honest opinion, what do you guys think of the name Mozzie? Because I'm combining a Malaysian car with the Aussie build. It's pretty much a combination of Malaysian and Aussie, so Mozzie. And since it's a Malaysian car and I'm gonna be building it the Aussie way, I thought Mozzie just matched, hey. And not just that, because it's gonna be a burnout car, it's gonna be annoying a lot of people, like Mozzies do. Yeah, anyway, tell me what you guys think. Yeah, remember, I'm gonna be doing a couple of extra jobs in between to get some money up. I will make videos on that. I mean, I got a potential customer that wants me to rebuild his SR20, and reason being, he says that he thinks that the piston rings are blown. We won't really know until we pull the engine apart, so that'll probably be the next video. From there, hopefully I get some money enough to buy the body kit, rear axle, front subframe, everything I need to start working on this car. So make sure you guys don't miss out on that video. Remember to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, share, help me grow, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.